In what could be termed as a big win for the central government, the Karnataka High Court single judge bench today dismissed a petition filed by Twitter against various blocking orders of the central government. Now, Twitter had challenged this, saying that Twitter is a social media intermediary and government guidelines do not apply to it, while the central government had argued that the tweets and the accounts that in fact the central government had asked for blocking were against the integrity of the country and is also under the national security of the state. So it is also argued that, these tweets majorly were with regards to Indian occupied Kashmir and had in fact said certain lines which were not entertained and are against the national security of the country. The court, while bringing out its judgment, also imposed a cost of 50 lakhs on Twitter for not complying with these blocking orders and in fact arguing that these blocking orders, they were not aware of them, or either the blocking orders were not correct. In fact, it said that since the Twitter is not a laborer and a billion-dollar company, it was well aware of the consequences and the laws itself, and that's the reason why a 50 lakh fine was imposed on Twitter. Now, this Twitter versus center debate has been going on for quite a long time. The government has been pushing that a data protection bill would be coming into force, which would strengthen the central government's powers over the social media intermediaries, which also include Twitter, Facebook, etc. But this judgment of the Karnataka High Court comes in as a shot in the arm for the central government, and in fact could also be a feasible point where the Twitter can now knock the doors off in fact either the division bench of the Karnataka High Court or in fact the Supreme Court challenging this particular order and the fine imposed on it. Senior advocates appeared for both the sides and in fact the single judge bench had now upheld that the centre's blocking order are correct in nature and that Twitter shall pay a fine of 50 lakhs.